Hello everyone, my name is Kitty Tripathi and I am faculty of Electrical Engineering Department in BBD NIIT Lucknow. We are discussing unit number 4, frequency response analysis of the subject control system with AKTU code KEE502. In previous lectures of frequency response analysis, we have already studied what is the meaning of frequency response, what are the specifications known as frequency response, and we have already given introduction on how to draw polar plots. We have considered it in previous lecture. Now it is time for us to solve it with respect to some numericals. So let's see, let's analyze it with numerical values. We have already stated how an effect of pole is changing the graph, how an effect of zeros is changing a graph, shape of the graph. Okay. Now let's begin to solve it through an example. See here, if we have an expression as Gs into Hs is equal to 10 upon S plus 2 into S plus 4, we have to draw polar plot for it. First things first, what do? We substitute the value of S as j omega. What can we write? It can be written as then 10 upon S की जगह हम लोगों ने क्या लिख दिया j omega, तो it is j omega plus 2 and it becomes j omega plus 4. ठीक है. Next thing is to determine the magnitude and phase angle of the system. Let's see how. See, this is the complex number kind of annotation here. If we have to write magnitude, what do? Root under real part square plus imaginary part ka square. And what about angle? Tan inverse imaginary part upon real part. So let's do that. Numerator mein we have only 10, let it be 10 only. Denominator mein see here j omega plus 2. When we have to obtain magnitude, it is 2 ka square plus omega ka square. It becomes 4 plus root under 4 plus omega square. Similarly, j omega plus 4 becomes root under 4 square plus omega square, which is 16 plus omega square. What about angle? Since it is in 1 upon format, angle will be minus tan inverse. So it is minus tan inverse imaginary part upon real, which is omega by 2. So it is minus tan inverse omega by 2 and the second term is omega by 4. How will we write it as? Minus tan inverse omega upon 4. हमें क्या मिल गया? Magnitude, angle. Now what we have to do is vary the value of omega from 0 to infinity. So when we are substituting the value of omega as 0 in the magnitude, see the expression of magnitude 10 upon where it is here, 10 upon root under omega square plus 4 into omega square plus 16. When omega is 0, what will it become? It will become as 10 upon under root 4 into under root 16. ठीक है, becomes 2 into 4 is 8. ठीक है, by substituting we can get what? Magnitude. That magnitude is a positive number. ठीक है, what about the angle? When omega is equal to 0, it is minus tan inverse 0, which is 0. So both the terms will be 0. We will get a positive value of magnitude at certain point where omega is 0. So if we have to draw the real imaginary axis, we know it is minus 0 degree, it can be annotated as minus 90, minus 180 and minus 270. ठीक है, हमें क्या obtain हो रहा है? Starting point. What about when omega is equal to infinite? 10 upon infinity, when denominator becomes infinity, the magnitude becomes 0. So at omega equal to infinite, we get a magnitude equal to 0. This point is the magnitude, right, at origin. Now what about angle there when omega is equal to infinity? When we will substitute omega is equal to infinity here and here, tan is infinity at 90 degree. So it is minus 90 becomes minus 180 degree. So end point becomes magnitude 0 minus 180, which is at origin, correct? Now what we have to do? Rationalize, separate real and imaginary parts. Let's see how quickly. What we will do? Rationalize 10 upon j omega plus 2 into j omega plus 4. We will multiply it with complex conjugate and divide it by complex conjugate, j omega minus 2, j omega minus 4 divided by j omega minus 2, j omega minus 4. See here denominator में a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square का फॉर्मेट हो रहा है. न्यूमरेटर में वी कैन राइट j omega minus 2 into j omega minus 4. डिनोमिनेटर में वी कैन राइट this is root under a plus b, a minus b becomes a square minus b square. We can write it as omega square because j square is minus 1. It becomes 2 square plus, we can write it as 2 plus j omega and 2 minus 2 plus j omega. So, it is omega square plus 2 becomes omega square plus 4 square, a square plus b square, a square. ठीक है. If it is a plus b and a minus b, ठीक है. It is a square minus b square. I am really very sorry. ठीक है, it is minus. Now see here, denominator से complex entity खत्म हो गई. Numerator में क्या मिल रहा है हमको? j omega और real terms भी मिल रहे हैं. What can we do? We can separate the real part and imaginary parts. How? Multiply it, simplify it, we will get some real part. Let us say it is R1. We get some imaginary part, let us say it is R2. ठीक है. Now see here, when we are separating real part, see, let us quickly see how. It is 10, if we multiply j square into omega square, j square is minus 1, it becomes minus of omega square, ठीक है ना. And the second term if multiplied becomes minus 4 j omega, third term when multiplied minus 2 j omega, fourth term when multiplies 8. See here, what is the real term and divided by something something, this term we can write it again. So, what are we getting as real part? 8 minus omega square, and imaginary part is minus 4 j omega and minus 2 j omega, that is minus 6 j omega upon something into 10 is always there. ठीक है. Now, when we separate real part, we can take 8 minus omega square into 10 divided by whole of the expression, and imaginary part we can write it as 4 minus 4 on minus 2 becomes minus 6 into 10 is minus 60 omega upon whole term, which is written in the denominator. Now, we have separated real and imaginary parts. Now, when real part is 0, what is 0? Real term is 0, that means numerator is 0. Numerator is 0 matlab 8 minus omega square is 0. When 8 minus omega square becomes 0, omega will be becoming root under 8, right? Solving, we will get omega is equal to root under 8. When we get that value of omega is equal to root 8, what we will do is, we will substitute it in imaginary part. और imaginary part क्या था? Minus 60 j omega divided by whole of that term omega square plus 2 square into omega square plus 4 square. उसमें ओमेगा की जगह रूट 8 सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दोगे, और इमेजिनरी पार्ट में हमें क्या दिख रहा है? माइनस जे ऑफ सम टर्म, दैट इज व्हाट वी वर टॉकिंग अबाउट इन प्रीवियस लेक्चर. ठीक है. इफ वी हैव माइनस जे ऑफ समथिंग, व्हाट डज दैट मीन? माइनस जे ऑफ समथिंग मीन्स इट इज टचिंग इमेजिनरी इंटरसेप्ट. सो इट इज टचिंग दिस वैल्यू, इमेजिनरी इंटरसेप्ट समवेयर, वट एवर द मैग्नीट्यूड विल बी. ठीक है. व्हेन वी सब्स्टिट्यूट इट एज रूट माइनस ए रूट अंडर 8, व्हाट वी विल गेट? इमेजिनरी इंटरसेप्ट. Now, what about real intercept? Real part में अगर आप यहाँ पर देखो ना, when we were multiplying, we were only getting minus 60 j omega upon something. ठीक है. तो real part, imaginary part is 0, मतलब omega is equal to 0. When we substitute omega is equal to 0 in the real part to get the real intercept, the real part में omega का 0 होने का मतलब हमारा जो expression है वहाँ पर omega की value 0 रख देंगे. We'll get the values of intercept as the same value where k lies. Why? Because 0 रखने पर न्यूमरेटर का 10 बचेगा, डिनोमिनेटर में वही टर्म बचेगा जो मैग्नीट्यूड का निकल रहा है. So we will get the same value, this one. And it is a positive because why? यहाँ से पॉजिटिव ही टर्म आया था. देखो 8 माइनस ओमेगा स्क्वायर, ये टर्म हमें को यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव ही दे रहा है रियल और इमेजिनरी सेपरेट आउट करने पर. रियल इंटरसेप्ट हमें पॉजिटिव मिला, imaginary intercept हमें क्या मिला? नेगेटिव मिला. Now we have 3 points. Starting and real intercept lying at same point, ending point and point of intersection. What we have to do? Begin from the start, go to the end, crossing the point of intersection. What is the choice we have? Begin from the start, we have begin here, moving to the point of intersection and moving towards the end of the graph. So, this is the shape of the graph obtained. So, see here, this is the general kind of shape we are obtaining for type 0 system. See, this is a type 0 system. Why type 0? Because there is no pole at origin, correct. So, this is an example of obtaining polar plot for type 0 systems. Now, let us see it for a type 1 system, that means if there is a pole at origin. What we have to do? Let us see an expression as shown in the figure, as shown in the expression k upon s into 1 plus st1 into 1 plus st2. Now, let us do that. How will we do? Substitute s is equal to j omega. What we will get? This expression j omega into 1 plus j omega t1 into 1 plus j omega t2. Now, what do we do? Calculate the magnitude and angle. How? Magnitude is k upon root under, see here, the real part is 0, 0 plus j omega. Magnitude becomes only omega. Second term में 1 plus j omega t1 है, magnitude कितना आएगा? रूट अंडर 1 square which is 1 plus omega t1 का whole square, ठीक है. For the third term the magnitude is root under 1 square which is 1 again plus omega t2 का whole square. What does this become? Expression for magnitude, ठीक है. Now what about angle? See, all the terms of omega is in denominator, so it will be minus tan inverse. So, it is minus tan inverse omega upon 0. Omega upon 0 matlab infinity. Tan is infinity at 90 degree. What is the first term? Minus 90. Second term is, it is a proper complex number, 1 plus j omega t1. Angle will be tan inverse omega t1 upon 1. It is omega t1. Third term is omega 1 plus j omega t2, tan inverse omega t2 upon 1 which is minus tan inverse omega t2. Now, let us determine at omega is equal to 0 magnitude and angle, and then we will calculate it for omega is equal to infinity also. So, when we are obtaining for omega is equal to 0 magnitude, let us put the value 0 here. The denominator becomes 0, and when denominator becomes 0, whole of the expression becomes infinite. So, the starting magnitude becomes infinite. What about the angle? When omega is equal to 0, this term tan inverse 0 is 0. The third term is also 0 because tan inverse 0 is 0. What we are only getting is minus 90 degree. So, the starting magnitude is infinity and angle is minus 90 degree. What about the terminating value when omega is equal to infinity? When omega becomes infinity, this denominator becomes infinite and the expression becomes tending to 0. What about the angle? It is tan inverse infinity here, tan inverse infinity here. Tan is infinity at 90 degree, so it becomes minus 90, minus 90, minus 90, 3 times becomes minus 270 degree. We get the value minus 270. So, we have obtained 2 points, starting point infinity minus 90, ending point 0 minus 270. Now, what do? Rationalize and separate real and imaginary parts. So, it is k of j omega 1 plus j omega t1, 1 plus j omega t2. We will multiply it with complex conjugate minus j omega 1 minus j omega t1, 1 minus j omega t2 divided by minus j omega, again 1 minus j omega t1, 1 minus j omega t2, ठीक है. Denominator में see, we are removing the complex number. How? Plus j omega minus j omega becomes j minus j square omega square. J square is minus 1, again it becomes omega square. ये 1 plus j omega t, 1 minus j omega t1, it becomes 1 a square, a plus b, a minus b का फॉर्मेट है, ठीक है. It becomes 1 plus omega square t1 square. Similarly, the other term becomes 1 plus omega square t2 square. न्यूमरेटर में क्या बच रहा है हमारे पास? माइनस k इंटू जे ओमेगा अगर हम इंटरनल टर्म मल्टीप्लाई करें तो इट बिकम्स 1 माइनस जे ओमेगा T2 माइनस जे ओमेगा T1 माइनस माइनस प्लस जे स्क्वायर इज अगेन माइनस 1, इट बिकम्स माइनस ओमेगा स्क्वायर T1 T2. ठीक है, इस जे ओमेगा को इंटरनली और मल्टीप्लाई कर दें, व्हाट डू वी गेट? माइनस के ऑफ टी इंटू जे ओमेगा. ठीक है, जे ओमेगा फिर से मल्टीप्लाई हुआ है अंदर, तो इट बिकम्स के इंटू ओमेगा स्क्वायर T2. ठीक है, जे स्क्वायर का माइनस इट मेक्स इट प्लस. सिमिलरली प्लस के इंटू ओमेगा स्क्वायर T1 माइनस, बाहर वाला माइनस एज इट इज रहने दिया हमने. ठीक है, इट बिकम्स जे इंटू के इंटू ओमेगा क्यूब T1 T2 डिवाइडेड बाई होल ऑफ द डिनोमिनेटर टर्म विच इज ओमेगा स्क्वायर 1 प्लस ओमेगा स्क्वायर T1 स्क्वायर इंटू 1 प्लस ओमेगा स्क्वायर T2 स्क्वायर. ठीक है, what do we do now? Separate the real part and imaginary parts. See, real part में we are getting minus k, this is something j का term है, यहाँ real term मिल रहा है और second and third terms are real terms. See, अच्छा k को we have multiplied it internally, so it becomes k into omega square T1 plus T2. This k we have multiplied already. ठीक है, divided by denominator will be omega square 1 plus omega square T1 square into 1 plus omega square T2 square. ठीक है, when we are separating imaginary parts, we can write it as, see here, there is one term here, the first term, and see the last term, both are having j term together, so it is minus k j omega, so we can write minus k into j into omega is common, then we can write 1 minus omega square T1 T2 divided by whole of the expression omega square 1 plus omega square T1 square into 1 plus omega square T2 square. ठीक है, हमें क्या हो गया? रियल पार्ट सेपरेट, इमेजिनरी पार्ट सेपरेट. व्हाट डू वी डू नाउ? टेक आउट द रियल एंड इमेजिनरी इंटरसेप्ट. हाउ? First make real part equal to 0, we will get imaginary intercept, then again real part equal to 0, we get imaginary intercept. So let us do that. When we make real part equal to 0, what will happen? See, numerator doesn't bear any omega constant because omega square denominator से cancel out हो जाएगा, omega का कोई term numerator में नहीं बचेगा. Then that term is equal to 0 only when omega becomes infinity. So जब हम ओमेगा इक्वल टू इन्फिनिटी इस एक्सप्रेशन में सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे, हाउ व्हाट वी विल गेट एज इमेजिनरी इंटरसेप्ट? अंडर अनडिफाइंड फॉर्म. ठीक है, नो इमेजिनरी इंटरसेप्ट एट एक्सेप्ट एट ओरिजिन. नेक्स्ट थिंग्स, रियल इंटरसेप्ट. हाउ टू डिटरमाइन दैट? substitute that imaginary part equal to 0. When we substitute this imaginary part equal to 0, what do we get? This omega is cancelling with this. Here this is cancelling with this. What are we getting? 1 minus omega square T1 T2 is equal to 0. What we will get? Omega is equal to 1 upon root T1 T2. This is the value of omega for which imaginary part is 0. Substitute that value 1 upon root T1 T2 in real part. This expression. यहाँ पे substitute कर दो, simplify करो, we will get a value, see here, corresponding to it at omega equal to 0. ठीक है, अब हमें देखो चारों पॉइंट्स ऑब्टेन हो गए. वी हैव टू ड्रॉ. हाउ? स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट वाज एट इन्फिनिटी, एंगल माइनस 90 डिग्री. एंगल का रेंज देख रहे हो आप कहाँ से कहाँ वैरी कर रहा है? माइनस 90 से माइनस 270. व्हाट इज द क्वाड्रेंट वी आर गोइंग टू कवर? दिस इंटायर क्वाड्रेंट, माइनस 90 से माइनस 270. ठीक है, स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट का मैग्नीट्यूड इन्फिनिटी था, एंडिंग पॉइंट का मैग्नीट्यूड 0 है, तो इट विल स्टार्ट एट इन्फिनिटी समवेयर, एंडिंग एट ओरिजिन. रियल इंटरसेप्ट हमें मिल रहा है दिस वैल्यू. नेगेटिव ऑफ रियल है, माइनस टर्म आया था. ठीक है, नेगेटिव ऑफ रियल टर्म मिल रहा है. नेगेटिव ऑफ रियल टर्म में जो ओमेगा इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन रूट T1 T2 सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे तो जो भी वैल्यू मिलेगी ऑन सिंप्लीफिकेशन दैट विल बी k root T1 T2 upon T1 plus T2. You can substitute simply this term here and verify it. इट इज वेरी सिंपल, ठीक है. What we get, k into root t1 t2 upon t1 plus t2. This is what in negative term, because here it is minus, so it is a negative intercept on real axis. Now we have 3 points physically visible on the graph. What? At omega equal to infinity minus 90, starting point, ending point at origin, and intercept at k t1 t2 upon root t1 t2 upon t1 plus t2 in negative real side. We have to start from here somewhere infinity and at origin, cross this point. What is the choice we have? There is only one possible path. Start from here, go through the point of intersection and reach to the value at ending point, which is magnitude 0 angle minus 270. If you are bothering that why not only we have crossed this value and directly gone to origin, because the angle range is from minus 90 to 270 in entire range. So it has to cover na both the quadrants, this quadrant as well as this quadrant, and that is why we are taking whole of the graph. Now some of you must worry, I think you can, there is a point of question ki how much approximation here we are doing na, because we are not exactly what is the exact distance, क्योंकि infinity है point infinity पर exactly तो this is an approximated curve, ठीक है. It is not very accurate that we exactly उसी particular pin point पर वो value cross कर रहे, नहीं, we are not obtaining, we are only obtaining 4 points we are very sure at, starting point, ending point, point of intercept at real and imaginary axis. We are not very sure about any other points, but we have a general idea that this is going to be in this particular pattern, ठीक है. ग्राफ का पैटर्न पता है, we don't know the exact points but for all those 4 values, ठीक है. So by the use of approximated graph only we can calculate the stability and all the other things which are required. So there is no need to worry about the approximation which we are using to draw a graph, ठीक है. क्योंकि हमारे पास 4, अगर आपसे कहा जाए कि 4 पॉइंट से ग्राफ बनाओ, तो इट इज़ नॉट दैट ईजी 4 पॉइंट से ग्राफ बन जाए. हो सकता है कि आप एक्यूरेट के क्लोज हो सकता है क्लोज नहीं भी हो, बिकॉज दे आर ओनली 4 पॉइंट्स एंड पॉसिबिलिटीज आर इनफाइनाइट. बट वी आर ओनली ट्राइंग टू से कि फ्रॉम द हेल्प ऑफ दिस अप्रोक्सीमेटेड ग्राफ ओनली वी विल बी एबल टू डिटरमाइन द स्टेबिलिटी, एंड सो इट इज ओके विथ अस इवन इफ वी हैव एन अप्रोक्सीमेटेड ग्राफ. नाउ लेट्स डू इट फॉर टाइप 2 सिस्टम, ठीक है. क्या करेंगे? फिर से वही सेम प्रोसेस, s की जगह j ओमेगा. सो लेट्स राइट k इंटू सी, इट इज s स्क्वायर, कैन वी राइट इट एज j ओमेगा इंटू j ओमेगा जस्ट फॉर द सेक ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग क्लियरली, ठीक है. 1 प्लस j ओमेगा t1 इंटू 1 प्लस j ओमेगा t2. दिस इज वॉट रिप्रेजेंटेड इन टर्म्स ऑफ j omega. What we will do next? Determine the magnitude and angle. How? Magnitude is k, इसका मैग्नीट्यूड j ओमेगा का ओमेगा ही रह रहा है, इस j ओमेगा का मैग्नीट्यूड भी ओमेगा ही रह रहा है. थर्ड टर्म का मैग्नीट्यूड विल बी 1 प्लस ओमेगा स्क्वायर t1 स्क्वायर. फोर्थ टर्म का मैग्नीट्यूड विल बी 1 प्लस ओमेगा स्क्वायर t2 स्क्वायर. ओके. नाउ लेट्स थिंक अबाउट द एंगल ऑल्सो. व्हाट अबाउट एंगल? एंगल में देखो, tan इनवर्स imaginary upon real omega by 0 becomes infinity, it is minus 90. सेकेंड टर्म फिर से j ओमेगा है माइनस 90. देख रहे हो क्या दिख रहा है हमें बार बार कि जब भी ओरिजिन पे कोई पोल ऐड हो रहा है माइनस 90 का फेज शिफ्ट ऐड हो जा रहा है. कोई पोल नहीं था, माइनस 90 का कोई टर्म नहीं था, टाइप 0 में कोई टर्म नहीं था. एक पोल ऐड हुआ, माइनस 90 का शिफ्ट हुआ. 2 पहला पोल ऐड हो गए, माइनस 90 माइनस 90 माइनस 180 का शिफ्ट हो गया, ठीक है. थर्ड टर्म इज माइनस tan इनवर्स ओमेगा t1. फोर्थ टर्म इज माइनस tan इनवर्स ओमेगा t2, ठीक है. अब क्या करें? अगेन at omega is equal to 0 and at omega is equal to infinity we will determine magnitude and angle. Let's see. जब ओमेगा की वैल्यू हम लोग 0 सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे तो डिनोमिनेटर में क्या हो गया? 0. डिनोमिनेटर 0 का मतलब दिस एक्सप्रेशन इज टेंडिंग टू इनफाइनाइट. सो स्टार्टिंग मैग्नीट्यूड क्या मिला हमें? इन्फिनिटी. एंगल की बात करें तो ओमेगा 0 पे आखिरी 2 टर्म्स विल बी 0 what will expression be? Only minus 180 degree. ठीक है. Third next step is obtain the value at omega equal to infinity. When omega is substituted as infinity here, what will happen? K upon something upon infinity becomes 0. This becomes 0 here. ठीक है. What about the angle? If it is infinity at tan inverse, what we will get angle as? 90 degree. So it becomes C, minus 90, minus 90, minus 90, minus 90. It becomes minus of 4 times it is 90, 90, 90, 90, 360 degree. ठीक है. Which is nothing but it is equal to 0 degree, right? Right na? It is 0 degree only, minus 360 is equal to 0 degree. So what do we get? Magnitude and angle for starting and ending point. Now see here, from minus 180 to 0 degree, मतलब these two quadrants में ग्राफ लाई करेगा. What next? Rationalize k into minus of j omega plus j omega into minus j omega. Similarly, plus j omega into minus j omega. 1 plus j omega t1 into 1 minus j omega t1. 1 plus j omega t2 into 1 minus j omega t2. ठीक है. रियल पार्ट में क्या आएगा आपके यहाँ पर न्यूमरेटर में? तो j ओमेगा इंटू j ओमेगा माइनस j ओमेगा बिकम्स माइनस ऑफ j स्क्वायर ओमेगा स्क्वायर बिकम्स ओनली ओमेगा स्क्वायर इंटू 1 प्लस j ओमेगा t1 इंटू 1 माइनस j ओमेगा t1 एंड 1 माइनस j ओमेगा t2. ठीक है. ये एक्सप्रेशन आया. सिंप्लीफाई कर लेंगे और क्या करेंगे? रियल पार्ट और इमेजिनरी पार्ट को सेपरेट आउट कर लेंगे. व्हाट हैपेंस इज we get the intercept values, and from that what we can do is draw the plot. We will get this type of plot here. Okay, that's it for the polar plot of all the types of the system. Thank you very much.